You've got exactly 8 months to completely change your financial future and make $10,000 per month. I can guarantee that right now, you're sitting on a $10,000 per month business and you don't even realize it, which is why I'm challenging you to hit $10,000 per month before 2026. Now, this comes from a guy who's been able to make upwards of $2,000 in a day online with literally no degrees, just my knowledge and my laptop. And no, I'm not some lucky rich kid. My father was a nurse, my mother a nursing assistant. I grew up in a small town, less than 10,000 people, and life sucked, to be honest. I remember sitting in my childhood bedroom back in 2018, 2019, broke as hell, and I was staring at my computer, wondering why none of the businesses I was trying were working. I was just like you, with no fancy connections, no rich parents. My dad was a nurse and my mother a nursing assistant. Money was always tight growing up, and I could feel that tension around our dinner table every single night because my parents would endlessly talk about the price of bread or lettuce. When I told my parents I was going to start an online business, instead of getting a quote-unquote real job, you can imagine how that went. They thought I was crazy, and maybe I was, but I was driven by something deeper. The burning desire to create freedom for myself and prove that success didn't require special advantages. My first attempt was a complete disaster. My buddy and I scraped together everything we had for a dropshipping business. And the funny thing is that we got our first sale within 30 minutes of launching our ads. But the truth is, we couldn't even afford to run the campaign long enough to make it profitable. We burned through our cash and ended up with nothing but a harsh lesson. For years, I jumped from one business model to another: affiliate marketing, print on demand, social media management. Each time I thought, this is it. This is the one business that's gonna work. And each time, I made no money and I faced another disappointment. That was another month explaining to my parents why I still wasn't earning anything and why I wasn't getting a normal job. I hated it when over lunch, my mother would ask me, how's your business going? Like, give me some news. And I'd put on a brave face and I'd tell her, I'm doing what it takes, you have to believe me. It's gonna work out and I know it. But inside, I honestly felt terrified. I was just looking like an idiot while no one around me was an entrepreneur, even though I knew it was the path to wealth. The turning point came when I stopped chasing shiny objects and focused on packaging what I already knew or what I was willing to learn into a high-ticket offer. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description, and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together, we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. So I started by helping agency owners and consultants to get more leads and more booked calls. So as you can see, that's it. It wasn't anything super fancy or complex. It wasn't a revolutionary new invention. I didn't create the next Facebook. I just focused on solving a specific problem for a specific group of people who were already spending money to solve that problem. I will never forget the day I signed my first client for more than $1,000. I literally ran to the living room to show my mom the notification on my phone. And the look on her face, that pride, that shock, it made all the late nights and failures worth it. And 5 days later, if not 4 days later, I signed another client for even more money. And then another, and another. The momentum builds once you get clear on what you're actually offering to the marketplace. Here's what nobody wants to tell you. Making $10,000 per month isn't about complex strategies or some magical business model. It's about 3 simple principles that I'm going to break down for you right now. Most people overthink this and end up paralyzed by options. We're going to cut through that noise. First, you need to understand that you're already sitting on a $10,000 per month skill right now. You don't need to learn 50 new things or get another certification. The knowledge you already have can be packaged to solve a problem for someone who's willing to pay for that solution. The key is to package that knowledge correctly. Most people don't do this, and that's why they fail. The problem is, you've been trained to be a consumer instead of a creator. You scroll through social media, consuming other people's content when you should be creating solutions based on your knowledge, pitching customers, making money. Every minute you spend consuming is a minute you're not building, because you have to realize time is your most valuable asset, and most people waste it consuming rather than creating. Now, I call this system the PTP method, passion to profit. It's what's allowed me to make upwards of $2,000 per day. When you package your knowledge into a high-ticket offer, you have something extremely valuable. Your passion keeps you interested when things get tough. Your knowledge is what you're actually good at or have developed a skill in. And your perspective, who you are as an individual, it's your unique way of seeing and solving problems. And that is what makes your offer different from everyone else's. What's amazing with this approach is that you don't need a massive audience. You just need a high-value offer that solves a specific problem for a specific group of people. You don't need 1 million followers. You just need, for example, 4 clients paying you $2,500 per month. That's it. Let me break it down. If you create a $2,500 offer and you get only 4 clients per month, you're making $10,000 per month. All of that with only 4 clients, not 400 or 4,000. Just 4 people who trust you to solve their problem. When you look at it that way, it becomes much less intimidating and much more achievable. Now, let's talk about finding that perfect intersection between what you know and what people will pay for. Your passion alone isn't enough. It needs to align with market demand. Too many people create offers based purely on what they love without considering if there's an actual market willing to pay for it. You want to take 10 minutes right now to write down everything you know how to do well, everything you've learned through work, hobbies, or life experience. Then ask yourself, what problems do these skills solve? Who struggles with these problems? And are they already paying for solutions? Use tools like ChatGPT, YouTube, and Google to research pain points in your niche. Type in phrases like how to solve this problem or struggling with this problem and see what comes up. For example, how to solve gut problems or struggling with gut problems and see what comes up. The complaints you find are opportunities in disguise. If people are actively searching for solutions to a problem you can solve, that is market validation right there. I see so many people get stuck here because they think their offer needs to be complicated to be valuable. That's complete nonsense. People don't pay for information anymore. They pay for clarity, speed, and a transformation. They pay to get from point A to point B in the fastest, most efficient way possible. Your $2,500 offer isn't valuable because it contains a secret information. It's valuable because you organize that information into a clear path that saves people time and frustration. You're selling the transformation, not the information. Remember that. Now, 5 years ago, to be honest with you, I was struggling with procrastination, and the problem wasn't motivation. It was a lack of clarity. I didn't know what specific steps to take to build my business and make more money, so I would end up binge watching YouTube videos instead of building my business. Once I had a clear step-by-step process to follow, taking action became the easiest thing in the world. That's what people are paying you for when you coach them. Clarity that drives action. This brings me to the second major mindset shift you need to make. You have to understand that you're not selling, you're serving. I know for a fact that some people are terrified of sales because they see it in a bad light. But here's the truth. If you truly believe in your offer, if you know it delivers real value, then it's your duty to sell it, because keeping it to yourself is selfish. It's not benefiting you or even your ideal customers. Confidence comes from conviction and clarity. When you know your offer works and you've seen the results it creates, selling feels natural because you're genuinely helping people. The money is just a byproduct of that service. Once you make this mindset shift, sales conversations become exciting opportunities to help people, not anxiety-inducing pitches. Now, let's focus on the only 3 things that actually matter in building your $10,000 per month business. It's not 50 things, not 20 things. It's just 3 core activities that actually move the needle. Focus on these and forget about the rest. First, craft a clear offer. Define the specific result you deliver, the process you use to deliver it, and exactly who it's for. You want to be super specific here. Don't just try to help everyone. Just focus on solving one problem for one type of person. Generalists always struggle, while specialists thrive. The more specific your offer, the easier it is to find and convert your ideal clients. Second, get in front of people. The best offer in the world means nothing if nobody sees it. Create content that demonstrates your knowledge. Send direct messages to people who fit your ideal client profile. Collaborate with others who serve the same audience. The method doesn't matter as much as you being consistent with it. You want to pick one platform and show up daily with valuable content that positions you as the go-to expert in your niche. Third, you want to learn how to close. You don't need fancy sales funnels or complicated email sequences when you're just getting started. You need to get comfortable having conversations that lead to sales. That means listening to people's problems, showing them how you can help, and asking for the sale. Most people never make money online because they never ask for it. They create content forever without ever actually making offers to people. The more people you make offers to, the more money you're gonna make. To be honest with you, when I got started in business, I spent months perfecting my website, when I should have been having conversations with potential clients. You don't want to make that mistake. A simple landing page and a calendar link are all you need to get started. Focus on getting people on calls, not building elaborate web pages that nobody even sees. Here's another hard truth. Your environment will either elevate you or keep you stuck. Look around at the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are any of them making $10,000 per month? If not, you need to expand your circle. Even if it's just virtually right now or by reading books from successful people. Your income rarely exceeds the average of your 5 closest friends. And this isn't a motivational quote. It's a pattern I've observed over and over again. This doesn't mean ditching your friends. It means intentionally connecting with people who normalize the success you want. Join communities where $10,000 per month is the standard, not the exception. Unfollow accounts that keep you in permanent motivation mode without driving action. Your feed shapes your beliefs about what's possible, and those beliefs determine your actions. 2026 sounds far away, but it's not. Every month you wait is another month of lost income, lost impact, and lost opportunity. I'm not saying to quit your job tomorrow with no plan. I'm saying start building your high-ticket offer today with the PTP method on the side with focused intention. Start with just 1 hour per day. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Let me give you a simple framework to get started right now. Take your existing knowledge, identify the biggest problem it solves, create a step-by-step solution to that problem, and package it as a high-ticket offer. Then, you want to find where your ideal clients hang out online and start providing value through content and conversations. It really is that simple when you strip away all the noise. What I love about the PTP method is that it scales with you. You start with a $1,000 offer if you feel more comfortable, you get a few clients, you deliver amazing results, you get testimonials, and gradually your offer gets better and you increase your price. And your confidence will grow with each successful client, and so will your ability to charge premium rates. I remember my first client so clearly. I was so terrified I wouldn't deliver results, but I over-delivered, and that client became my biggest advocate, referring 3 more people to me. Those testimonials became the foundation of my business. So never underestimate the power of making one client extremely happy. Ideally, you want every single client to be extremely happy. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from 0 to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description, and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together, we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Look, the truth is, most people watching how to make money online videos are not going to take action. Most people won't even take notes, and then they will watch another video and another, and they'll be stuck in this information overload phase. Every week, I speak to dozens of people who want to build a profitable online business and reach financial freedom. And guess what they all have in common? It's been years they've been wanting to start a profitable business, but they still haven't gotten started. They're still overthinking everything or analyzing everything. If you want to find the most profitable and the best way to actually make money online, the method that's allowed me to make upwards of $1,200 per day in pure profit, I invite you to check out the free video training in the description. But be quick, because I won't keep sharing this for free forever. With that being said, I'll see you on the other side.